Hello guys, gonna give you a few about of my watch collection. I only started about a year ago, so don't be a snob and burn everything down you see. I'll explain why I like these watches and so on, so be gentle. First off is the one that's oldest. Is the one I bought in 1997. I bought it in Caracas, Venezuela, and I had a lot to do with the repairs for this one. I bought it originally for 150 bucks. It's a maroon Omega 10-12 caliber in-house movement for the fetishists. Watch. It's not very thick. It's got the Omega logo on the back. Really nice watch. Runs 28,800. And it's got a maroon dial, and the dial is actually webbed. I'm not sure if I can get that to work here. You gotta believe me. Otherwise, look at the other video. You can see actually that the dial is webbed. I love this watch. Really, this was the first watch I bought for myself. I was 18, living alone in South America, and after this watch, actually, I got into a downturn watch collection kind of a thing, because this is the last watch I wore, and it took me about 2 years to find a Casio, and didn't think at all about watches anymore until last year. My €40 watch died on me, and I needed another one, and I came across this one. That was lying in a drawer, and I thought, well, I might want to sell it, and somebody offered me €50, and then I decided, well, fuck, I'll get it repaired. So I did, and this 1973, it's completely polished and stuff now, but it was in such a bad shape. I didn't have no other opportunity. Oh look, maybe you can see the stripes now, the dialed web. Well, anyhow, love this watch, and got it fixed for €150, and it runs perfectly again, so really nice one, love it. So, next watch up was the second one I bought. Was actually this one, Citizen Blue Angel Skyhawk. Oh, maybe I'll take a few wrist shots for this. Wow, shit, I need to, like this. I love this watch as well. This is really, this watch does everything, you know. It's got the rotating bezel, bidirectional. You can do all kinds of navigational stuff on there. It's got a chronograph, it's got 2 alarms. Of course it's a quartz watch, but it's solar drive, so it's echo drive, a Citizen calls it, and that just means that it's very easy. It doesn't need a battery change. It lights itself, it charges itself with a light from the sun or from any lamp in your house. Every night at 2 o'clock it will look for the nearest atomic clock, and it will adjust it to the second. It's got a light. It's a really, really nice watch. I had the mineral crystal replaced for a sapphire crystal, and that really works pretty well. It's all stainless steel with a sapphire crystal. It's a bloody heavy watch. I mean, I love it, and I take it when I go into the jungle or something, but certainly not a watch. I mean, actually, with the Tudor coming up in a moment, that is titanium. It's still a heavy watch, but this is actually, the Citizen is actually a bit too heavy. Citizen Skyhawk, nice, but a bit heavy. But for everyday cheap watch, with all the functions, it's a great buy. Yeah, you know, if you don't care about watches, get something like this. You will never be alone again in the watch world. So that was a piece of shit. Then we go further with a Citizen, another Citizen I bought just afterwards. There's this one. I made a video about this one as well. It's got sapphire crystal. The original bracelet is this. Well, this two-tone bracelet was just horrible with this watch. It has an open case back, so maybe that's why they did the bracelet with it. But I bought just a nice leather band with it, and it just looks so much nicer. It just has. This is actually a very nice watch to wear. It's the cheapest one in the collection. It's a very nice one to wear. Especially when you want to show somebody something about movements. You know, everything's in there. So then we get to the real work, if you call it real work. We go to the Omega 751 168.045 constellation 96.